Okay, hello there again. Welcome to the project one of this series. So, as you can see here, I have a styrofoam structure mini boat. So, mine not the design since I don't have yet a 3D printer. That's why I only use glue gun and stick glue in order to build its body. So, as for the component, so we have here a breadboard and a 9 volts battery, rechargeable lithium ion battery, and Arduino Uno and the jumper wires connected here. And we have there the driver which controls the speed and the direction of this DC motor. Yep. So I use here L293D. So since I'm just using a 3 volt DC motor, which does not draw a lot of power, so that's why I use it. And of course, in order to send signal or control the speed or control this boat, I have here a HC05 Bluetooth module and a buzzer. So once I test this out, you will know what the function of this buzzer is. So what I did here is just I plug in a single DC motor here, plug at the L293D motor driver, and then connected it to the pins of the Arduino Uno. Take note, when using a motor driver, it may be L293D or L298N, they should have always have a common ground between the Arduino Uno and the driver so that there will be no malfunctionality in the spinning of the motor. So I have also put a switch so that I will not just be inserting it onto the breadboard whenever I want to use this RC, not the RC, this boat rather. So let's try. Let's switch it on. Okay, so here comes the blinking HC05. So let's try to run this motor. So here is how we make the mini boat run. So I'm using a Arduino Bluetooth control, which I downloaded from Play Store. And I have already set up the commands here using the gamepad. So the command that I'll be sending is the one that I programmed here on the Arduino Uno. So since Arduino Uno is programmable, so I have already installed the code in the microcontroller. So let's try how this project works. So let's connect it first to the HC05 24. Okay, so it's connected. Press start. So that's the function of the buzzer, meaning the engine is ready to work. So forward. So it's a little bit shaky since it is not in the water. So that's the minimum, not the minimum speed, the first amount of speed. Let's add some speed to it. Another. And the max speed. So whenever I release the forward button or the up button, it goes back to its minimum speed. When I press it, so the previous amount of speed will be applied to the DC motor. So if you want to change the direction, I can just press either the right or the left. So at the end of this first project video, I'll be showing you how it works in the water. So that's it for the mini boat.